Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro sued President Donald Trump's administration on February 13th to get them to unfreeze over $3 billion in federal funding allocated to his state's agencies. Trump's Office of Management and Budget announced a funding freeze in a January 27th memo, and while the memo itself was rescinded, the funding freeze remains in place. In the following week, two different federal judges halted the funding freeze temporarily while litigation continues. In his lawsuit, Shapiro said that even though multiple judges have ordered the Trump administration to unfreeze funding, access has not been restored, including funding allocated to Pennsylvania agencies, which he said left him no other choice but to file legal action. Ignoring court orders seems to be a pattern for this Trump administration. The congressionally approved funding for Pennsylvania agencies helps them protect public health, maintain safe drinking water, protecting jobs in rural communities, and more. For example, one grant program allocates billions of dollars over the next 15 years to the state to maintain former mining sites because, if left abandoned, they can cause sinkholes that could cause death or significant property damage. Two other grants allocate $126 million to allow over 28,000 low-income households to perform work on their homes that will lower their utility costs. Shapiro asked a federal district court in Pennsylvania to block the Trump administration from continuing to freeze, pause, or otherwise interfere with funding allocated to his state's agencies.